guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already a subscriber. If you're not, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Today's video is a little different. If you're here from TikTok, welcome. If you're already subby, welcome. So I got a box from Good Molecules. I spent my own money on this because I wanted to try it. This brand is vegan, cruelty-free, and I also needed to re-up on products that I already use from different companies, and I just wanted to try something different. So let's get into it. I opened the seal, but I haven't opened the box yet. So here is the packaging. If you randomly hear my stomach growl, I'm so sorry. I just have other stuff to do today. Okay, so I just dropped my receipt. In total, let's start with how much I spent. I spent, I think I spent $53 even. I did regular shipping and whatever. So the first thing on it is the instant, where's the name? Okay, first thing I got is the Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm. And let's open it up. I don't think I looked at the weight of these things at all. Like, I know for a fact I did not look at the weight of, or like the size of a lot of these things. And I just did not expect this to be this big. So I'm intrigued. I'm already feeling it. I'm a fan. Okay, it comes with a little spatula. Amazing. Ooh, okay. So here it is. But this is just for like when I wear makeup. I like that it comes with a spatula because if y'all see, I clearly have a long luxurious nails. It feels good. And like I said, I like that it comes with a spatula. And like, this is a really nice size container. It doesn't tell me on this receipt, it doesn't tell me like how much I paid for everything per thing, but I remember looking at my shipment and knowing that I spent $53 in total. So the instant cleansing balm, and I'll do close-ups of everything. Next up, this was the thing that really made me want to, oh, it is also, like I said, cruelty-free, never tested on animals. This is the thing that I was really excited about. This is the vitamin C boosting powder that I clearly can't open. Okay, here's a little scoop for it. I use niacinamide in my current skincare regimen, and vitamin C is super unstable. Like, it's really hard to keep track of, so I thought it was interesting that they have it in powder form to be able to use. Again, this is a really nice size. This is 0.71 ounces. There's a piece of me that wants to smell it, and I know I probably should not. And I'm also not gonna like tip it over. All right, not gonna be able to open this right now. We'll wait for my boyfriend, but it's a really good size. It's full to the top, and it gives you instructions on how to use this. So I'm excited for that. Another thing that I wanted is the Squalene oil. You can use this day and night. I have super dry skin, so I love a good oil and adding an oil, especially to my nighttime moisturizers. These things are like, they're in there really securely. So fortunately, I don't have to worry about anything breaking, which I am a fan of. Yeah, still cruelty free. Okay. Here's the size of that one. This is 0.44 ounces. So a little bit smaller than I expected, but I think that comes in two sizes if I'm not mistaken. The big boy that I got, so this is hyaluronic acid. I use hyaluronic acid already in my regimen, and I wasted it all over my counter, so I've been using like the remnants of what I have left, and I just needed to replace it really bad. Look how big that is. This is 2.53 fluid ounces. Y'all, do you see how big that is? I love hyaluronic acid, like on some damp skin. Love all parts of that. Another thing I got is a facial cleansing mitt. I'm just gonna use this with the cleansing balm whenever I take off makeup. It's just the white cleansing mint. They had a couple of different packs of these, but I thought it would be good for makeup removal, so I'm not gonna take that out of the package. Another thing, they gave me silicone-free moisturizing primer. They gave me a sample of that in this box. And then the last thing that's not even skincare, but like I saw this and I was like, we're in the middle of a pandemic, so I'm going to get this for my car. Is spray hand sanitizer. I think, I know no one cares about this, but I'm excited. 80% antiseptic. If y'all know me, I'm a nerd, biologist, whatever. So yeah, it uses 80% alcohol. Okay, it smells like regular hand sanitizer. I don't know if anybody else has noticed, but ever since the pandemic broke out and like every company was making hand sanitizer, and like name brand hand sanitizer was so hard to come by, like non-name brand hand sanitizer, like non-Purell or like swab hand sanitizer and stuff, they smell weird, like they smell like tequila. I don't know how else to describe that to anybody else, but if anyone knows what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. And this doesn't smell like that, which makes me very happy. Like it smells like actual like antiseptic alcohol, not drinking alcohol, if that makes any difference to anyone. So, but that's it. Like that's all for the package. I'm excited to try all of these things, and I will be doing like updates. If you follow me on TikTok, then you know I will let you guys know about all the things, all the skincare stuff, and how I'm incorporating them into my new regimen, because I do change my regimen very often. And that's really it. That's all for today's video. I thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I know this was a very quick video, but I just wanted to do an unboxing and hang out with you guys for a little bit, and you know. So thanks for hanging out with me. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.